Want to know how to see your match history in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're in this interface, this is the main menu. So seeing your match histories or the matches you have played is super simple. Just simply head towards your profile first. So on the left side, you should be seeing profile, right below activities. Or on the bottom right side, you can just simply select the avatar, which will open up your profile directly. So by default, you should be under accessories right here. So right here, you should be seeing player, just simply select it. Now once you have your player, you can just simply see this icon right here. So since I have not played any matches, it's not showing right now. So but if you have played matches, it should show your champion, mode and results with KDA, match ID, date and duration. And that's it. I hope this video helped. This is how you easily see your match histories. Make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.